This is Mashrufa, Senior Assistant Librarian attached to the Science Library, Faculty of Applied Sciences, Southeastern University of Sri Lanka. Today I'm going to introduce you about search strategies. Search strategy is a systematic process used to find information on a topic. During this process, we have to consider all potentially useful reference sources and select works appropriate for our research need. And locate information, evaluate the information found. So when we think about the popular search strategies, there are important strategies. Wildcard search is there, truncated search, filtered search, proximity search, and application of Boolean operators and, or, and not. If we consider the wildcards, if we do not know the correct spelling of a search term, we can use a question mark to find the correct word. In this example, I have put TE question mark T. It will retrieve results, test or text. Similarly, if we don't know an exact word, we can use an asterisk mark. So this asterisk mark can show the particular word we want to search. For example, here I want to search on disk operating system, but I have forgotten the exact spellings and the term operating. So I have put disk asterisk system. Then I can get the results disk operating system that the search engine has identified the term. Similarly, another type of search, truncated search. Like wildcard search, you can use asterisk for multiple characters. For example, I want to find information on networking, network, networked, etc. So what I do is, I put an asterisk mark in ETWOR asterisk. Okay, then I can get the results that includes all the terms I need. Then proximity search. This is very important because when we search in for information in a search engine, sometimes the terms we are using are scattered somewhere. Somewhere else far away, then we will retrieve the results, but that is useless. So we want to define the two terms we are searching for should appear within 5 words or 10 words, like that. Then we can define that. So by using the proximity key under the escape bar, we can type the two terms and put the number. Here I have typed network topology and the proximity mark and between 10. So these two terms should appear within 10 words in my result. Similarly, if I want within 5 words, then I can type here network topology and the number 5. So it will appear, the results show the two terms within 5 words. Filtered search usually helps to narrow down our search results. So they are more relevant to our research. Usually, searches that are too broad may return too many search results or results that are only somewhat related to the information we are trying to find. So fields may be item title, keywords, author, journal title, abstract, publication, date, etc. So this will help to retrieve a very good, appropriate results for a search. Different search engines or scholarly databases may have different options for filtered search. Usually, advanced search in Google or Google Scholar opts different fields. So now I'm going to show you how to do that filtered search by using Google. Okay. So before that, we have to understand, before learning to Boolean operators, we have to understand what are the steps we have to do to construct a very good search strategy. So first, we have to state our topic clearly. Take a sheet of paper and write your topic clearly. Then select the concepts or the keywords. Then link the search term together to form a search statement. Then perform search, review and evaluate the results. And if the results are not satisfied, you may modify search. So when we do this, you can draw a table like this. First write your topic, then identify the terms, and then identify the synonyms and make a grid like this. Okay, here your lecturer has given you a topic. What are the impacts caused by COVID-19 on the learning styles of undergraduates? So you have identified the topics and you have splitted the words: impacts, COVID-19, learning styles, undergraduates. These are the 4 keywords. Then you have identified the terms, synonyms, etc. Now, you are going to apply Boolean operators to link the search term. So we will see what are the Boolean operators. There are 3 operators: and, or, not. Then how to use those operators. Now we will see, I have used AND operator here. So AND operator is used to combine terms. It retrieves all materials that contain both terms. Here you can see the intersect A and B shows the particular narrowed result when we use AND operator. So if we use OR operator, to connect, usually OR operator is used to connect synonym. And if we use OR operator, it retrieves all materials that contain either one term or the other term. So we will get a broad result. The blue color all part we will get. For example, we can type COVID-19 or Corona. Okay, so then we will get a broader results. If we don't want one term, we can avoid that term by using NOT operator. So NOT operator is used to extract one word from the other. It retrieves records only one term, not the other. For example, we need undergraduates, but not school children. So there we can avoid using NOT operator. So if we want to use more than one operators, one connectors, we have to use a parenthesis, a bracket. So COVID-19 and learning style or learning methods. So there you can see another Boolean operator O has come between learning style or learning methods. So what we have to do is, at the end of the first operator and we are putting a parenthesis and type the rest of the words with the other operator, then we can get a fine result. Similarly, instead of and not, we can use plus to include and minus to exclude. Okay, COVID-19 plus undergraduates, COVID-19 minus school children have shown as a very brief example. Then use quotation marks. If you want to use a phrase, we have to type that within inverted commas. Then we can retrieve the appropriate records which contain the phrase. For example, within inverted comma, I have typed impact of COVID-19. Then the results will be very exact result with the words together, not scattered or not spread out somewhere. So some more strategies. If you want specific information, better if you don't want results from .com, so you can exclude by typing don't return results from site or domain.com. So we can give this command and the search engines will recognize and give the results by avoiding .com. So this is Google is very popular to these types of strategies. Then Google can also retrieve the specific range of information related to date, price, and measurement. For example, I want the price of books between $40 and $50. So I type just $40, double dot, and $50. Then in the Google search box, the resultant will display all books of range in between $40 to $50. So here, the two dots I have shown here in blue color retrieve the results between $40 and $50. Okay. So these exercises can be used in search engines. We will see the Google, especially the Google, Google's search engine. So we will show how to use Google with important strategies to apply. So here you can see this Google homepage. Okay, then we can type the words we want to use. You have to see in the Google, Google is a very user-friendly search engine, and you can see there's a Gmail and images, and there are 9 dots here. Okay, so these 9 dots shows everything here, important things like account, Gmail, Drive, Classroom, Docs, Gemini, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, Chat, Mail, Forms, etc. If you scroll down more, you will get more Google apps from these 9 dots. Now, I'm going to show you very, very important techniques only. So if we want to find some images, we have to click images here and type, yes, I want to type, I want to get information or an image for ring topology. Okay, now you can see the results of ring topology here. Similarly, then we can get any figure we want to apply, and please don't forget to take the link and show it in your document. Okay, that is the proper acknowledgement or citation you have to show. Similarly, there is a very important option, Google Scholar. Each and every student should know how to use Google Scholar. So you can type and search here. Google Scholar page has come. Now we want information on COVID-19 impact. Okay, COVID-19. Or we will see impact of COVID-19 on learning styles of undergraduates. This is the broad term we are using here, and you will get a vast number of results. Okay, so you can get very good article from Google Scholar. So you can filter by using the strategies I show you, and in this article we want only the PDF file. For example, we can give the Google Scholar filter by using the file type. So we can type here file type PDF. Okay, then we can get the PDF files only. We can download the results and show. Similarly, if you want to apply advanced search, you have to come to the right side of the Google Scholar and select advanced search option. Okay, here the impact of COVID-19 on learning styles. This is a very long sentence. So what we have to do is we have to use the strategies. Okay, now I want impact, then COVID-19 learning styles. Okay, COVID-19 learning styles, etc. without the word. Okay, school children, we don't want school children. Okay, anywhere in the article, then we will limit the, if you know the author, if you are searching for a particular author, you can type the name. Or otherwise, if you want a particular publisher's paper, you can type here. So I don't want any specific author or any specific publisher, but I want the papers published within 2022, 2024. Then I am searching now. Okay, now you can see the result here. So we can download one of the paper and see. Okay, now you can download and see the exact paper, the impact of online learning during COVID-19, students and teachers' perspective. Similarly, you can download papers and see. So very simply, I have shown you the Google and this other search strategies that could be applicable for any other search engines and databases. In the next session, we will see how to use, how to search Emerald database and Taylor and Francis database that could be accessible to Southeastern University of Sri Lanka. Thank you.